2019 Buick Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats standard, with seating for up to 8 passengers. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, backup camera, lane departure warning, remote engine start, navigation system, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, power liftgate, stability control, traction control, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, keyless start. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.